Concise RDWorks Learning Lab with Russ Sadler. Session 24, Greyscale Photo Engraving.
Well, as you can see, I'm in a very relaxed, maybe unenthusiastic mood. Because today's subject is something that I don't really believe in, but I'm going to have to tell you anyway. Greyscale Photo Engraving. Really a total waste of time, but I'm going to have to tell you about it because there are many other aspects of it which would be very useful information for you. The end result is really not worth my time for the next half an hour, but we'll push on because it is a subject which will open us out into the more realistic subject which will come up in the next session or two, photo engraving, proper photo engraving as I call it, and I will explain what I mean by proper photo engraving. And it's not necessarily the same as what most people think as photo engraving. So let's see if I can work up enough enthusiasm to move and get started, should we?